Hansel and Gretel. Once upon a time, near a small village in the forest, Hansel and Gretel lived. They grew up in a poor but happy family. One day, while their parents went to the market, Hansel and Gretel were instructed to play quietly at home. But Hansel and Gretel were curious children. They left home and ventured into the nearby forest. As they left, Hansel tried to mark the way back by scattering breadcrumbs, but the birds ate them all. The children eventually found themselves lost. Shaking with fear, they started to look for the way back home. Hansel and Gretel discovered a house made of candy and cookies in the forest. The kids were so hungry that they started eating the cookie house. But that house was the home of an evil witch. The witch locked the cute Hansel in a small bird cage because she wanted to keep watching him. She also made Gretel do housework. But brave and clever, Gretel was looking for an opportunity to escape. Eventually, Gretel cleverly tricked the witch into falling into a pond in the yard and rescued her beloved brother Hansel. Thanks to Gretel's quick thinking and courage, the children were able to return safely to a happy place. This story taught us important lessons about the love and courage of a family and hope. Through this adventure, Hansel and Gretel came to love each other more, and their family became stronger. I hope today's fairy tale brought you joy and happiness. I'll return with an even more special story next time. Thank you for watching.